This video begins on page 95. We're going to create our style sheet. So the file that we're going to use is this TSS_styles_text. First, let's rename it. We're just going to remove the underscore dot text. Right click it, edit with Notepad++. So the text that is showing has been given to us. These are all commented out. These are comments dividing up the different sections of our style sheet. This is going to help troubleshooting. It's going to help if we decide to change our style. We will know where to look. Notice the comments are of a different syntax. It's a /*. Okay, let's go ahead and put name and date. And save. Let's go back to our home page, this TSS_home, and attach our new style sheet. And save our changes. Back on the style sheet, the .css file at the very top, on line 1 we're going to type in @CHAR set, and then in quotes UTF-8 semicolon. Don't forget that semicolon. Okay, this just defines the character encoding used in the style sheet. Okay, we're going to use UTF-8 in all of our style sheets. All right, next we'll talk some colors. So some colors have color values, such as blue or red. Okay, another value would be an RGB value. R means red, G is green, B is blue. And the amount of those colors are given. If you wanted all of red, you would place the highest value in the R section. So the highest value is 255. So if you wanted a pure red, you would have an RGB value 255, 0, 0. No green, no blue, all red. Another type of value is an HSL. Hue, saturation, and light. Hue is the tint of the color. S is the saturation, meaning the intensity. And then lightness is the brightness. Another way to represent the RGB value, sorry, let me go back a little bit. Another way, instead of the 255, you could use the hexadecimal number. Okay, in our numbering system we use a base 10. That's how we do our math. Hexadecimal is a base 16, meaning there's a total of 16 characters. The first 10 characters is 0 through 9. Okay, and then you get to the double digits, which kind of messes up the number of characters. So instead of using the number 10, you use the letter A. 11 is B, 12 is C, 13 is D, 14 is E, and 15 is F, for a total of 16 characters using only one character. Makes sense? It's on page 99 if you need to review that. Okay, another aspect on the HSL, or hue saturation light, is the opacity of the color. So you can set a color to be semi-transparent by adjusting the opacity. Alright, on page 102, we're going to define background and text colors. So on the style sheet, the .css file, we're going to be in this first section, HTML and body styles, and notice the syntax on this. So this is going to be applied to HTML, and you're going to use, I call these the curly brackets. I'm not sure what the real name is, but I'm going to call them the curly brackets. So you're going to open your curly bracket and then go down one line and tab over, and we're going to set a background color, background dash color, colon, RGB, HSL 27, 72%, comma, 72%. You're going to close parentheses, semicolon always goes at the end. Okay, press enter, and I'm going to backspace to put me at the starting point. I'm going to type in body. Oh, do you see what I did? I did not close the curly brackets. It's like a door. If you open it, make sure you close it. So in the body, I'm going to set a color. RGB 91, comma, 91, comma, 91. Then background color. Ivory. Now for the body, I have set the color. This is the font color. So I have a color and also a background color. Down in the heading styles, I'm going to set a heading style for heading level 1. Color, so this is the font color, and background color, RGB. And then heading level 2. Okay, so I have set styles for the HTML, which is the entire document. Okay, try to think of what is between the opening HTML tag and the closing HTML tag. And the body, try to think of what's between the opening body and the closing body. Same with the heading levels. All heading level 1s are going to be styled in this way. All heading level 2s are going to be styled in this way. So I'm going to save my file and preview this in a browser. Okay, this is what it looks like before, and this is what it looks like after. a little different. Okay, if yours does not look like this, please go back to your style sheet and look at it very, very closely. Make sure you have your curly brackets opening and closing. Make sure you have semicolons.